Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm going to share with you a warmer I've been wanting so bad, but I kept buying holiday warmers. But this one is for when like the holidays are done. And it is called Sage Advice. Oh, I've seen pictures of it and it's so gorgeous. If you love farmhouse, like I love farmhouse or traditional or whatever, I think this warmer would be great. Okay, so let's check out Sage Advice. I'm so excited. Okay, so like any of our other mini warmers, your warmer will come with a plug-in. Okay, so it's like a nightlight warmer. Now this definitely keeps, okay, some people don't use it and then they say, oh, my warmer is like not on there right. You need to put your grommet in, okay? So now let's get the little bulb out. Now you put your bulb in here, okay? And then you're gonna screw on the other part. But before we do that, I wanna show you a couple really cool things about Scentsy warmers, okay? First of all, on, off, on, off. That is like the easiest candle ever, right? Next thing, if your outlets are horizontal and not vertical, you just turn this, okay? And that will make sure that your warmer is exactly the way it's supposed to be. Now, let's grab the actual warmer. Oh my gosh, it is the prettiest color. Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I see my dog's barking. Can't get nothing done. Puppies, right? I see why they call it Sage Advice. But look at how pretty. You guys, I'm so in love with this. Okay. So now you put it just like this and you plug it in, and that is gorgeous, right? Okay, so now I want to show you what it looks like on. And so what I did was I grabbed my tabletop base. Now these are sold separately. These are $15. You have to make sure that you know whether you're buying a glass warmer or a ceramic warmer, because this part is different, okay? So you go ahead and just screw it in, which is, that's what I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna be using it like this. Okay, so you guys ready to see what it looks like? Let's see, let me grab it better. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Right? Oh my God, that is so cute. You guys, I've been wanting this one, and there's another one that I've been wanting as well, but I keep buying the holiday warmers, but now holidays are almost over. So I'm like, I have to have these in case they get discontinued. Oh my goodness. The puppy. Okay, so anyways, how cute is that? It's $20. This is an additional $15 if you want it. You don't have to have it, but look at how gorgeous, you guys. Anyway, I'm going to drop the link below in the description. I hope you love it. Anyways, hope you're having a great day. Oh, and this month, the month of January 2022. Oh my gosh, you guys, 2022. Our catalog's 10% off because we get a new catalog in February. So if you want this warmer, it'll be 10% off. You guys, so cute. All right, I hope you're having a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.